Controversy as CBN directs all banks to transfer money in all dormant accounts to the Apex Bank. The Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, has directed all banks and other financial institutions to transfer funds in all dormant accounts to the Apex Bank. The circular by the CBN AG Director of Financial Policy and Regulations, Mr. John Onoja, last night indicated that accounts have remained dormant for 10 years and above would be affected. It said, the provision of these guidelines shall apply to all financial institutions under the purview of the Central Bank of Nigeria. The Apex Bank said the objective of these guidelines, among others, were to identify dormant accounts, unclaimed balances, and financial assets within a view to reuniting them with their beneficial owners. Hold the funds in trust for the beneficial owners, standardize the management of dormant accounts and unclaimed balances and financial assets, and establish a standard procedure for reclaiming warehoused funds. It added, eligible accounts are dormant account balances that have remained with the FIs for a period of 10 years and beyond. Eligible dormant accounts and unclaimed balances and other financial assets shall include current savings and term deposits in local currency, domiciliary account, deposit towards the purchase of shares and mutual investments, and prepaid card accounts and wallets. Government-owned accounts, proceeds of uncleared and unpresented financial instruments belonging to customers or non-customers of FIs, unclaimed salaries and wages, commissions and bonuses, proceeds of stale, local and or foreign currency, draft not presented for payment by beneficiaries, fund received from a corresponding bank without sufficient details as to rightful beneficiary, and the recall of funds made to remitting bank to which a Nigerian bank account had not been debited. A judgment debt for which the judgment creditor has not claimed the amount of judgment award, and any other deposits or financial asset that may be designated by CBN. The following classes of dormant accounts, financial assets are exempted. Accounts that are subject of litigation, a judgment debt for which the judgment creditor has not claimed the amount of judgment award and the case is still active in court, account under investigation by regulatory authority or law enforcement agency, an incumbent account, including but not limited to collateral and liens. What exactly is going on? What exactly is going? Kilo ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan. Okay. It is a good development. Trillions of money are trapped in all those banks. Many died and the family do not have access to claim and even many buildings in Lagos and Abuja. Well, true, Sha. Look, these people withheld a lot of information from us. Knowledge is power. Yes, I know some people are coming out today and say knowledge is not power. Now, if you don't get knowledge, how you going to implement them? There are many people who they have died, even with the kind of thing you tell today. You make people they the right way, make people they make the assets they open to their spouses. To you understand, make you not be say you work finish and other people where you don't know. You could do for your grave, they turn, they will. And other people no, can't they take your money, can't they chop your money? Why? Because you did not make it open enough to your family members, whom you really intend for them to enjoy that money when you're no longer there. Do you understand? The people who do not have an idea. There are some processes bank is supposed to be coming out to tell the public. If you have somebody like this, or if you're somebody like this, if you want the government to shape, if you want the bank to, to be able to give your funds to your this is what you should do, this is what you should do. This thing, everybody know. Now, people where they in-house for bank, I know some of this information. Why not come outside and make it public? Do you understand? Why not come outside or at least make it public? Tell your customers, buy you should do this, you should do that. You understand? Apart from your will, this is what you should do, this is how it should go, this is document your whatever, your next of kin, the person where you want. The person that you truly want to have the funds, if something, God forbid, anything happens to you at any point in time, the person will be say you want supposed to, you supposed to get, the person is supposed to sign for one particular form like that. The bank has not know these things. You understand? But some of these things, bank will corner the money. Bank go corner the money. Do you understand? Bank go corner that money. You no go know. You know how many people money bank don't corner? Most especially people will be say, number one, let's say your wife no know about you. I've heard of people who their investments have gone. The investment, and so their investments, people don't carry their investments, don't run. Imagine you working so hard. I want to give my children a better life. Then your spouse does not know. I'm talking about men, I'm talking about women as well. I'm talking about men, I'm talking about women as well. You will not tell your partner anything concerning your funds. At least they will not be in it with you, so that so that you go ask questions, because anything can happen any freaking time. Nobody is saying, oh, nobody is praying, say, oh, make anybody what's it called? The pray say make anything happen to the other person, but things happen, life happens, okay? And then before you know that money, because your spouse don't know everything, your investment, that's what the thing go use go. I have somebody who he actually invested in a particular farm, and they said for like 2-3 months they couldn't reach the person. Then I had to reach the person that brought the person, like somebody that was the middleman, and the person was now saying, oh, the person has died, and the person had investments in that farm. Imagine, say that those people, imagine that those people are not good people. If they try to reach the family but they cannot reach the family, what do you think will happen? They are going to the funds in here now. It has gone, it has gone. Do you understand? So if governments, I know this thing we say, even government say, no, Papa, we cannot even trust them. What are we even saying? The government has put themselves, has set themselves up that we cannot trust the government. We can't trust them, or say we can't trust these people. We don't know what these people are capable or are going to do. Even if they say they are going to hold it, they are going to my mind. Your mind no fit touch ground now. Your mind no go fit do anything. You no go fit touch ground. All the critics that are pouring out insults are Igbos. Okay, why this hatred towards PBAT? Are you really serious right now? Indirect stealing by the federal government through CBN. Is it your money? Oh my God. It is a welcome policy. Monetary secrets will be unveiled if these processes were managed. Well, like I said, now the governments now owe themselves. Now they owe themselves, what they call? They owe themselves that particular part of making the people in the way they serve, or where they're supposed to serve, to trust them. If the people don't trust them, then we say governments. Now the governments, now they at fault. Alright, on this note, you have come to the end of the news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen. Until I come your way next time, enjoy the rest of your day.